If you're trying to decide between a gas or charcoal grill and feeling a little stuck, you're not alone. Picking the right one really depends on your cooking style, and let's be honest, there's a lot to consider. Like, do you want something quick and easy to use, or are you all about that smoky barbecue flavor? Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'll be breaking down everything that you need to know about gas and charcoal grills, like how they work, the pros and cons, and which one might be the best fit for you. Plus, I'll share some tips to help you make your decision even easier. So by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to look for. And if at any point you're interested in checking out any of these grills that I'm about to mention, I've included affiliate links that'll take you straight to Barbecue Guys, where you might even be able to grab a discount. That said, let's get started. Alright, so now, what's the real difference between gas and charcoal grills? With gas grills, the big advantage is how quick and easy they are to use. You turn a knob, hit a button, and you're ready to cook in just a few minutes. They're perfect for those busy weeknights when you just want to throw something on the grill without all the hassle. Plus, you can control the temperature really precisely, which is great if you're searing steaks, grilling veggies, or cooking something that needs a bit more attention. Charcoal grills, on the other hand, are all about that bold, smoky flavor. There's just something about cooking over hot coals that brings out a richness in your food that you can't quite get with anything else. That said, they do take a bit more time and effort. Like getting the coals lit and managing the heat is definitely a process. But for a lot of people, that's part of the fun. It's a hands-on process that makes you feel more connected to the whole grilling experience. Okay, let's start with the Weber Ranch Kettle 37-inch charcoal grill. If you're someone who loves grilling for a crowd, or just wants a ton of space to work with, this grill is a game changer. With over 1,000 square inches of cooking area, it's designed to handle everything: ribs, brisket, burgers, veggies, you name it. Whether you're hosting a backyard party or just cooking for the family, you'll never feel cramped for space. One of the standout features is the porcelain enameled lid and bowl. Not only does it give the grill a sleek, classic look, but it also retains heat really well, which keeps everything cooking efficiently. Plus, it's super durable, so it's built to last even with heavy use in any weather. And let's talk about the hinged cooking grate. It's one of those small but genius features. If you need to add more charcoal mid-cook, you don't have to move everything around. Just lift the grate, toss it in the coals, and keep going. Now, with a charcoal grill like this, there's a bit more work involved. Lighting the coals takes some time, managing the heat is something you get better at with practice, and yes, cleanup can be a little messier with ash, but honestly, that's part of the fun. Charcoal grills aren't just about cooking, they're about the experience. From lighting the coals to adjusting the heat, you're hands-on the entire time. And let's not forget the payoff. That deep, smoky, rich flavor you just can't replicate with gas grills, no matter how advanced they are. This grill is also perfect if you love hosting. It's not just functional, it's impressive. You just fire it up for a big gathering, and people are definitely going to notice it. With all that cooking space, you can grill multiple dishes at once, or even keep food warm on one side while finishing up the rest. And if it's just for your family, the extra room still comes in handy for prepping everything at once without feeling rushed. Now, let's talk about the details. The Weber Ranch Kettle is priced at about $1,850 with free shipping available. And if you don't want to pay the full price up front, Barbecue Guys offers financing options starting at just $85 per month, which makes it much more manageable. And of course, Weber backs it with a 10-year limited warranty, so you can feel confident that this grill is built to last. So if you're all about bold, smoky flavors, love the hands-on grilling process, and want a grill that can handle just about anything, the Weber Ranch Kettle is absolutely worth checking out. It's more than just a grill. It's a serious barbecue setup that's built to impress. And if you're interested in this grill, or really any other grill on Barbecue Guys, I've included links in the description below that can take you straight there. Next, let's talk about the Weber Genesis SPX 435 gas grill, which is a perfect choice for anyone who values convenience and performance in one sleek package. This grill is designed to make outdoor cooking as easy as possible without compromising on quality or results. With 646 square inches of cooking space, plus a warming rack, You'll have plenty of room to whip up everything from quick weeknight meals to full-on weekend barbecues with friends and family. One feature that really stands out is their sear burner. If you love getting those perfect steakhouse quality grill marks on your food, this burner is a game changer. And the side burner is super handy for things like boiling corn, sauteing veggies, or making sauces while your main dish cooks. It's basically like having a mini outdoor kitchen built right in. But what truly sets the Genesis SPX 435 apart is the smart tech. It's Wi-Fi enabled, so you can connect it to the Weber app and control or monitor everything straight from your phone. Whether you want to set a timer, check the temperature, or look for recipes, it's really ideal for multitasking or just relaxing with guests while the grill takes care of itself. And like all Weber grills, this one is built to last. It's made from high-quality stainless steel, so it's not just weather-resistant. It looks sleek and modern in any backyard setup, and thanks to its quick start ignition, you're ready to grill in seconds, no waiting around. It's perfect for those nights when you just want to get cooking quickly. Now, it's true that gas grills like this don't give you that deep smoky flavor you'd get with a charcoal grill. But what you gain is that unmatched convenience and precision. You can easily adjust the temperature, handle multiple dishes at once, and clean up is a breeze compared to dealing with ash from coals. And it costs about $1,800 with free shipping included. But if you'd rather not pay the full price up front, Barbecue Guys offers financing starting at $83 per month, which makes it super accessible. Plus, it comes with a 10-year limited warranty, giving you peace of mind that this grill is built to last. So if you're all about convenience, versatility, and cutting-edge features, the Weber Genesis SPX 435 is an amazing choice. It's more than just a grill, it's a full backyard cooking experience that makes grilling simple, fun, and stress-free. And again, if you're interested in this grill, or any other gas grill from Barbecue Guys, I've included links in the description below that can take you straight there. That being said, how do you decide between the Weber Ranch Kettle and the Weber Genesis SPX 435? Honestly, it all comes down to what kind of grilling experience you want. If you're into that smoky, bold flavor and enjoy the hands-on process of grilling, the Weber Ranch Kettle is a great pick. It's got a huge cooking space, so it's perfect if you love hosting or trying out new recipes. Plus, there's something satisfying about lighting the coals and adjusting the heat. It feels like you're really part of the process. But if you're more about convenience and just want to fire up the grill and get cooking, the Weber Genesis SPX 435 is an excellent option. The Wi-Fi controls and side burner make grilling super easy, and you could still make amazing food without all the extra effort. It's great for those busy weeknights or when you're hanging out with friends and family. At the end of the day, both grills are solid choices. It just depends on whether you're all about that classic charcoal vibe or the ease and versatility of gas grilling. Anyway, that's all for today's video. If you found this video helpful or interesting, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos like this one. And just to reiterate one more time, if you're thinking about picking up one of those grills or want to check out other options, I've included affiliate links in the description below that'll take you straight to Barbecue Guys' website, where you might even be able to save on your purchase. And as always, if you have any questions or comments, don't hesitate to leave them in the comment section down below, and I'll do my best to get back to you as soon as I can. Other than that, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day.